Hi, this is Dr. David Tsai from AcuTherapy Clinic. Today I'm going to give you a quick introduction on what is the acupuncture, how it works, and how to regulate the energy flow, how connected to your internal organ, and also how we select the acupuncture point to treat your problems. Basically, it doesn't matter how much knowledge you have about the acupuncture. Acupuncture has been developing in the Asian, particularly in China, for a couple thousand years ago. It is look like on the human body, we're talking about have 12 major meridian and also 8 a special meridian, total going to be the 20 meridian cross over all over your bodies. And each meridian connect to each other and continually floating the energy level. And the two meridian pair each other, one control yin, one control yang, like a husband and a wife. Also, each meridian is connected to your internal organ, like we're talking about the stomach meridian, heart meridian, or large intestine meridian, and so on. And also those is connect to each other and make a pair like husband and wife, yin and yang. Okay, so on each meridian, we can see on each meridian they has plenty like this, the dot. Okay, we call the acupuncture point. It's also like we call the energy stations. Okay, they has multiple station or the locations. Okay, so in the situation like if you have any kind of energy blockage along the meridian and the energy station, or you have the energy deficiency, we call the chee deficiency, or you have too much energy bloating in the different locations, all those situations can cause the symptoms such as the pain, numb, tingling, or any other symptom you have. Basically, so when the energy imbalance, energy blockage, energy deficiency, or energy too much in certain area, all those can cause the symptoms. Okay, so the treatment we're going to use is going to typically we're going to diagnose which area you have energy blockage, what area you have which meridian the energy deficiency or imbalance. Then according to that, we're going to select certain point to unblock the area the station has been blocked, and also select the point. If you have deficiency, we're going to try to rebuild or reboost your energy levels. Okay, and also if you have the energy blockage for a long time, we have to reconnect those areas back to the whole system. Okay, so that is normally the 3-step treatment we're going to give to each person who has those problems. The number one is going to be, we call the unblocked area has been blocked. Okay, then refloating the energy to the correct locations. This is most of the time is number one. The stage for the treatment is going to be open the area has been blocked, refloating the energy flow, and this is going to be number one things for you to reduce your pain if you're suffering the pain, or if you have any other symptom. This is number one, going to decrease the suffering you have before. After that, we're going to move on to the second stage, going to take care what's the underlying cause the problems. Like we're talking about each meridian connect to your internal organ and what's inside the imbalance or the problem cause you have those kind of symptoms. This is going to be reveal your energy from inside, and when you have enough more energy, then can keep the same problem come back again. So this is the second stage, going to be rebuild, take care of the underlying, rebuild your energy system, your body produce more energy, then can keep your problem come back again. And sometimes when they come back, they bring the more problems. So the last stage, we're going to reconnect those areas has been disconnected from your system for a long time. A lot of patients, they have the problem over 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Okay, then the blockage continue to block more, and also the inside going to be disconnect, and also the meridian is disconnect from each other. We need going to reconnect those areas has been disconnected from your system for a long time, and make sure they can the whole system running holistically to produce energy and also floating the energy correctly. So this is the last stage we're going to try to help you to rebuild your whole system. So after those three stages, we're going to unblock the place you have the problem and take care of the underlying what caused the the problem from inside, and also we're going to reconnect the system back together. This is the whole things. If you take those whole card, then you can gain your body back. Okay, you can control your body, and your body can run as a holistically produce energy, floating the energy, and can take care of your body by themselves. This is the correct direction. The system, the treatment are going to help you to achieve in the next couple of weeks, couple of months. Nothing happens overnight. You need consistently and to get the treatment, to get the help you need. And also probably I will suggest you do some kind of self-exercise to cooperate with the whole treatment to gain your fast improvement. Thank you.